Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for home textile and furnishing business. So I am the owner of home textile and furnishing business and I am promoting my products and services with the help of IndiaMART. That is an amazing B2B marketplace in India. Now my objective is that for my business, whenever I am going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry through IndiaMART, then I want to connect with that lead with the help of WhatsApp. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads for home textile and furnishing business. So I am an owner of a furnishing business and home textile, and I'm promoting my products and services with the help of IndiaMART, that is a B2B marketplace for India. So my objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead or a new inquiry for my business through IndiaMART, I want to send automated WhatsApp message to that same lead so that I will be able to connect with that lead quickly and I will be able to convert them into payable customers. Now, to send the WhatsApp messages here, I'm going to use AI Sensei, with the help of which I'm going to create a template and I'm going to send that template message in the personalized format to each and every lead. Now, this is AI Sensei, and here I'm going to generate the leads and inquiries with the help of IndiaMART. So to automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages to each of the lead, I will have to connect my IndiaMART account with AI Sensei, and that I'm going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here, with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be able to automate all our repetitive tasks on regular basis without any coding and programming skills, simply by connecting our work applications. So let's get started quickly. This is the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on the sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. And also when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So on the dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads and inquiries for house, textile and furnishing business. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select a folder. So I've created a separate folders for all the automations which I'm going to create to manage my IndiaMART leads. So here I'm going to select the specific folder and then I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us which contains a blank workflow with two extremely important windows: trigger and actions. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective over here is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new IndiaMART lead or inquiry, I want to send a WhatsApp message to that lead. So here, I'm going to send the WhatsApp message with the help of AI Sensei. So let's suppose I'm going to take IndiaMART in trigger and AI Sensei in my action step. When we will build the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is received through IndiaMART, then only a message will be sent on WhatsApp, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step and we will select our trigger application. Over here, our trigger application will be IndiaMART. After selecting the trigger application over here, IndiaMART, we are going to select the trigger event as well. What is trigger event? On the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that event. That will be your trigger event. So new leads will be our trigger event over here because we want that as soon as a new lead will be received in IndiaMART, the response should be captured. So let's copy the webhook URL which we have received, as we have to insert this webhook URL inside our IndiaMART account to build this connection. And how we are going to do that? By following the given instructions. So let's copy the webhook URL first of all, and then I will tell you exactly what you are supposed to do. So this is my IndiaMART account. You have to log into your account as well. From the left side, you will see the option of lead manager. After coming on lead manager, here you have to go towards the 3 lines, that is the menu section, and here we have the option of import export leads. Among these 3 options, we have the option of push API, so we have to select that. And now first of all, I'm going to deactivate the existing webhook over here. And then after coming on push API integration, you have to create a new webhook. So first of all, you have to select the source through which source you have received this lead. So I'm going to select other over here. Then in the CRM platform name, I'm going to give Pabbly Connect, which platform you want to connect with IndiaMART. I have given the name. Now in the field of webhook, listener URL, you have to paste a URL which we have recently copied from Pabbly Connect. Then let's click on save details. Over here, you can see we have to select one of the options given over here. So I'm going to give, let's say, as I feel that I can permanently save the leads from IndiaMART and view later. Just a random reason. Then I'm going to click on generate OTP, and here you can see that the webhook is successfully activated. So now I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. It is showing waiting for webhook response. So we are waiting for the response now. How we are going to capture the response? By simply creating a lead in IndiaMART. And I've already created a dummy profile in IndiaMART, and with that profile now I'm going to send a query, a random inquiry towards my business related to my business, and that will be calculated as a lead. So as the lead will be received to IndiaMART, then the same lead is also going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let me open that profile of a lead in incognito mode. So I have opened IndiaMART in incognito mode, and I've also logged in with the profile which I've created. Now with the profile, with this leads account, I'm going to send a random dummy query towards my IndiaMART account. So I've already searched the business as well. Now when I'm going to click on contact supplier, it is asking us for the phone number. So when I've created the profile, I've given multiple details such as the name of the lead, their email address, their company name, their work address, etc., along with the phone number. So all the details are already registered over here. I'm going to just enter the same phone number once again. Let me submit it, and now I'm going to enter the query. So here, let's say this is my inquiry. Hi, I am interested in sourcing high quality textile for a new hotel project. I'm going to submit this inquiry, and it is saying that yes, your message is sent to this business. So now I'm going to take you back towards my IndiaMART account. And over here with ABC company, we have received a new inquiry. This is the company name which I have given while creating the profile. So this is the same inquiry which we have entered. Hi, I am interested in sourcing high quality textile for a new hotel project. As we have done that, now we will go back towards Pabbly Connect to check whether the response is captured. And yes, here the response is already captured. So in the response, we have received all the details. So first of all, we have the status of the lead, that is success. We have the query ID, that is a unique one for each and every query. Then we have the subject, that is a default subject. We have the state of the lead, their name, phone number, email address, okay, country code, the name of the company, we have city, etc. And over here we have the exact inquiry which he has submitted. This means our connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time a new lead is going to be received in IndiaMART for our business, the response is going to be captured. Once we have received the response, our objective is to send WhatsApp message to this lead. So to send the message, I'm going to use AI Sensei over here. In place of AI Sensei, you can also use any other API application such as Vati, WhatsApp Cloud API, or Interact. Okay, currently because I'm using AI Sensei, so I'm going to build the connection between AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's move towards our action step. Our action application over here will be WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and then we have to select the action event. What you want? I want to send template message. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, we have 2 options: add new connection and select existing connection. So if you don't have any existing connection, so I'm going to show you how you have to build a new one. So we'll go towards add new connection, and we have to enter the API key. To get this API key, you do not have to do much. You just have to go towards your AI Sensei account. From the left side over here, we have the option of manage. Under manage option, we have some other options as well. So we have to go towards API key section, and this is the API key. Let's copy it. We'll move back and paste it over here. Okay, let's click on save, and as we have done that, WhatsApp by AI Sensei is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to send the template message to our leads. For that, first of all, we have to enter the campaign name. So in order to send the template message, you are going to create a creative and customized template according to your business requirements in AI Sensei. And then after you have completed that template, you have to link that template with a specific live campaign. So here, in order to understand that, I'm going to take you towards my AI Sensei account. We'll go towards the template section. We have all template section over here. This is the recent template which I have created with the name as IndiaMART inquiry for textile. So this is the preview of the message, as you can see. This is the message which I'm going to send to each of the lead who is going to submit the inquiry along with their name. So here in the place of name, I have used a variable which will help me to automatically replace the data from this place of name, so that that we can send the messages to each of the leads according to their name. And in this way, by using the templates, you can also send customized and personalized messages to each of your lead. Now, here, as soon as the lead is going to send me the inquiry, a message will be directly received telling them about my services and the offers to that person, to that lead on WhatsApp. And I've also included in the message that soon my team member is going to connect with them through phone call or email, whichever option they prefer. Alright, so this is the preview of the message. I'm going to cross this. Once I have completed this template, it is already approved, as you can see. And when the template is approved, and now I'm going to link it with the campaign. So we'll go towards the campaign section from the left side. Over here, we are going to click on launch button. We will go towards API campaign. Here we have multiple details which we have to enter. So first of all, let's give the name to our campaign. Let's say the name will be Textile and Furnishing Business. Now I'm going to link my template with this campaign. Alright, so this is the name of my template. Here you can see we have the preview. So let's click on set live to set live this particular campaign. We'll go towards the campaign section. We have all the details, and over here we have the name of the campaign. Let's copy it. We'll move back and paste over here. Alright, after giving the name to the campaign, now it is asking us the mobile number. The mobile number of the receiver. So to whom you want to send the message? I want to send the message to my IndiaMART lead. So instead of entering the number over here manually, I will simply map the number which I have already received from my earlier response. Here you can see we have received the number of this lead. I have mapped that, and now because I have mapped this number, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new inquiry or new lead is going to be received from IndiaMART, automatically the number is going to replace with the number of that new lead in this field. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. The next we have is the username. Who is the receiver of the message? The receiver is the lead. So I'm going to enter the name of the lead. I have mapped that. Now we are going to move forward towards template parameter. In this field, you have to enter the parameters, or we can say the values for each of the variables which we have used in our template. I have used only one variable currently in my template, so and that variable is for the name of the lead. So in the place of template parameter, I'm going to map the name of the lead only. In case if you have used more than one variable, then you have to enter the value for one. You have to use a comma, a space, and then you have to enter another. In this way, you have to enter multiple template parameter values. If you want to send a document along with this message, you can enter the URL of that file and the file name as well. I'm going to directly click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, we have received the response, and it is saying that success, the message is sent. So let's go and check whether the message is received on the number which we have mapped or not. And yes, here we can see that the message is received along with the name of the lead. Hello, smart lead. So in this way, we can send personalized WhatsApp messages to all our IndiaMART leads. We can connect them in this way quickly with all the leads, and we will be able to convert them effortlessly into payable customers by providing them the offer, sending them the messages which contains the details about our business and according to their inquiries. So I hope this automation is clear to you, helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.